Electrical safety in construction is crucial to prevent accidents such as electrocutions, fires, and other electrical hazards. Here are some key safety guidelines to follow when working with or around electricity on construction sites. Proper training and awareness. Ensure all workers are trained in electrical safety and are familiar with the potential hazards they may encounter. Only qualified personnel should work on electrical systems or equipment. Unqualified workers should avoid direct contact with electrical systems. Use ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs. GFCIs should be used in areas where workers may be exposed to electrical hazards, especially in wet or damp conditions, like bathrooms or outdoor workspaces. GFCIs automatically cut off power if there is a ground fault or electrical leakage, which helps prevent electrocutions. Lockout, tagout, or LOTO procedures. Before working on electrical systems or equipment, ensure that the power is completely turned off and locked out to prevent accidental energizing. Place a tag on the power source to warn others not to turn it on. Inspect tools and equipment. Regularly inspect all electrical tools and equipment for any signs of damage such as frayed cords, exposed wiring, or faulty plugs. Always use tools and equipment that are properly rated for the job and in good working condition. Proper wiring and connections. Ensure that all electrical wiring is installed correctly and follows the National Electrical Code or local regulations. Avoid overloading circuits and ensure connections are secure and insulated to prevent shock hazards. Electrical work zones. Clearly mark areas where electrical work is being performed with warning signs, barricades, or tape to keep workers out of danger zones. Keep all electrical cables and wires out of walkways to prevent tripping hazards. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential. Wear rubber-insulated gloves and boots when working around electrical systems. And don't forget to use face shields or safety goggles when working on electrical equipment to protect against arc flash or sparks. Always work in dry conditions. Avoid working with electricity in wet conditions, as water can significantly increase the risk of electrocution. If you have to work outside in rainy conditions, make sure electrical equipment is properly insulated and protected from moisture. Safe extension cord use is critical. Use only heavy-duty, outdoor-rated extension cords for construction work. Ensure that extension cords are properly insulated and are not damaged or exposed to sharp objects, which could cause short circuits or shocks. Report and address hazards immediately. Encourage workers to immediately report any electrical hazards, damaged equipment, or unsafe conditions. Promptly address any potential dangers to ensure a safe work environment. Emergency procedures. Ensure all workers know how to respond in the event of an electrical accident, including how to safely turn off power and call for emergency medical assistance if needed. Have fire extinguishers rated for electrical fires, Class C, available on site. Follow local electrical regulations. Always adhere to local regulations regarding electrical safety on construction sites. Maintain a safe distance from power lines. Always maintain a safe distance from overhead power lines, typically at least 10 feet, to avoid accidental contact.